Good morning, first graders. Miss Kyler here with Number Corners. As always, I need for you to use your prediction skills to figure out what will be on our calendar card for today. Let's check it out and see if your prediction was correct. Did you predict that we will have a pizza? Today we see a whole pizza. Whole means that it is not divided or broken into pieces. There it's one whole pizza, and we write this as 1 over 1 or just a 1. Now let's go ahead, first graders, and say our date together. And today we know that we have to start with the day of the week. And today is Friday, November 13th. 2020, 2020. Let's say that date one more time together. Today is Friday, November 13th, 2020. Now, first graders, let's go ahead and say our date, our days of the week together. And we always start at Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Great job. Now, we know from our calendar that today is Friday. So read with me, first graders. Yesterday was. If today is Friday, what was yesterday? It was Thursday. Good job, good job. Now let's read again. Tomorrow will be. What will tomorrow be? If today is Friday, tomorrow will be Saturday, where you get to relax and enjoy your weekend. Now, first graders, let's say our months of the year. We always start with the very first month, which is January, and we're gonna stop at this month with which is November. So let's go ahead and say our months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. And we know that November is the 11th month of the year. Now we're going to go ahead and write our date. And we know we can write our date two different ways. And the first way, we have to write that number month, which is the 11th. And today is the 13th. And our year is 2020, but you know me very well by now, and you know I never ever write all four digits. I only write the two last digits, that 2 and that 0. Now I'm going to write the abbreviation for November, and our day is the 13th, the day of November. And now I'm going to write all four digits for the year. Now, first graders, we are moving along with our days of learning together. Today is a brand new day, so we have to add one more square. And look here, first graders, it is a whole column filled. So we know that is 10. That is another group or bundle of 10. That's a whole group of 10 we have. So I'm going to color that on in. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 10, and we know we can count by tens. And we can say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 50 days of learning together. Now Miss Kyler's going to write that number and spell the word 50. So here is the number 50 because we have been learning together for 50 whole days. And here's how we write the word 50. And we know 50 has two digits. In the tens place, we have a 5. And in the ones place, we have a 0. Now, Miss Collar is going to keep going with those fact families. And we know that 5 tens makes the number 50. And 0 ones makes 0. So 50 plus 0 makes 50. Now we're just going to switch that order. That's how the fact families go. Move that 0 to the front. Move that 50 to the back. And we know 0 plus 50 makes 50. Now we're going to go ahead and put the product or the all together here. You can call them either or. 50 take away 0 equals 50. And same thing, put my product here, which is 50. Take away 50 is going to make 0. Let's keep going, and we are working on our time. So for the month of November, we are collecting hours of time. We now know that our day starts at midnight. So far, we have collected 3 hours. Let's look at our clock. Got a little messed up there. Let's look at our clock. We see that our minute hand is on the 12 and our hour hand is on the 3. We're going to move that minute hand one more hour and let's see what time it is. Once we move that minute hand, now that our minute hand has traveled one whole hour, we see that it is 4 o'clock. My hour hand is at the 4. My minute hand is at the 12. It is 4 o'clock. Now, first graders, let's go ahead and look at how we write this time, 4 o'clock. And because we are now in the 4 o'clock hour, Miss Kyler is going to go ahead and color in the 3 o'clock. We don't need this time anymore. We're all done with the 3 o'clock section of our clock. All this is for 3 o'clock. We're not in 3 o'clock anymore. Color that in. Done with it. We're now in the 4 o'clock hour. We're here in the 4 o'clock. So let's look at that time on another analog clock. Here we are. Hour hand is at the 4. Minute hand is at the 12. And let's look at 4 o'clock on a digital clock. Now, first graders, we have collected another hour, so let's circle that hour. And we see now, today, we have collected a total of 4 hours. Okay, we are going to continue telling time, and I cannot wait to see your class kick assignments. And I want you to go ahead and finish. Go to the next slide. First graders, finish your work. I'll see you later.